Hey everybody, and welcome this morning to the drag room. We're working on a roller set today, and I got started. If you watched the last one, I was talking about brick lays. That's how you brick lay, okay? But what we're talking about today is I got asked a question 2 days ago about how I pick the size of my rollers for what I want to do, right? And it really depends on the length of the hair and the effect you want, okay? But there's a real simple little way of thinking about it, and this goes back to hairstyling. So when you are creating any curl at all and you want actual curl, your basic that you have to think about is that on any roller you have to make a total of 2.5 rotations around the roller. If you're not getting 2.5 rotations, then you're not going to get a solid curl. Okay, so let's think of the length of this hair here, which I'm working with. Think if I put a roller on it like that. What do you think is going to happen? Nothing. Okay, it would literally end up the same way it went in. Okay, so these, I would not use these anyway. I have a great trick for these, though. I'll show you later. Even this one, which is the next step down, I think this is 2.5 inches. If you mark it and judge it, so that's one rotation. It is just making 2 rotations, okay? So the curl would be there, but it's going to be very, very soft. We're going to call it, it's going to be weak, is what we usually say. It's a weak curl, because you need that extra half a rotation. And you wouldn't really want that, okay? So next step down is purple. We're getting 1, this is 2, and this is about 2.25 rotations, okay? Still a little better, but not perfect. You have to have at least 2.5 rotations. So I'm using this size, and this size comes in a couple different colors. These are probably my rollers that I use the most, are this size, and they're gold. I have some that are red. I have some that are green. They're all the same size. So this one here, which is, and this is not wet. If I was wrapping this, it would be wet. So that's 1, 2, and that's just half of, so that's just 2.5 curls, 2.5 rotations. So this is perfect, and that's going to give you that perfect S pattern, and it's going to give you the maximum amount of volume. Now, if the hair was longer, okay, let's say this hair was out to here, and let's say you got 4 rotations around. That's still okay, okay? But if you get more than that, it's very hard to explain. If you get too many rotations on the roller, what do you think is going to happen? Okay, the curl is going to be inconsistent. Like if I took this and tried to wrap this, I'm just going to use this with a little piece, and I'll just, okay, so that's 1, 2, 3, I got 3 around. What did I say? You could probably get 4. You could probably use this, but the curl is going to be inconsistent, because you're building up on the roller, right? So the stuff that's right at the roller, that's going to be nice and crisp. But as you go out, when you take it out, it's going to be really loose at the top, and then it'll be curly at the bottom. Now that may be the look you want. Go for it, okay? But it's not what I want. So what did I forget? I think I used all the different sizes here. The only other thing that I can really tell you is that when you are planning your roller set, and you really should plan your roller set, okay? Don't just jump in and do something. Plan what you want it to actually look like. The hair at the bottom of this is short. It's almost as long as this, but it's only about this long. So if I used these gold ones down there, I'm not going to get 2.5 rotations. Okay, so therefore my curl under here is going to be weak, and that's where the base of my roller set is coming from. I want this to stack out and be really big. So at the bottom of this, I'm going to use a smaller roller. I'm probably going to use this one. I may use this one, I'm not really sure. And as the hair gets longer, I move out to a larger size roller, okay? So that's all for today. I'm going to be coming back with this one. I'm going to be showing you guys 2 other things with this wig. I'm going to show you how I actually steam it, because I've had 3 people ask me now so far. I'm going to show you when I steam it, and then there's a waving technique that I want to show you, and that'll be on a video coming hopefully very soon. I should actually finish this today. I will try. But other than that, I hope you guys are subscribed to Station DRG everywhere you want to be.